the only boy on the ranch is hard. But when my sisters get in cahoots together, I just grab my trusty jump rope, get up on my powerful steed, and head off into the wild as fast as I can. Yee-haw! Keep busy hands busy.
Okay. Hey, everybody. Hi. Let's see. We're live. Question mark. Oh, there we go. The streams are starting to come up. How's it going, everybody? Hi. So we're just going to wait a couple minutes, just a couple minutes. Thank you so much for everybody for tuning in. We're just about to start our live puppet show. We had this sign up and everything. That's what the show's going to start at 1:30. We're going to wait a couple minutes just to get everybody in before we start so nobody misses the first couple minutes of the show. Let's see, but let's do a little pre-show. So thank you so much for coming. My name is Chad. I'm a puppeteer with, here we go, Wonder Spark Puppets. That's right. We're a company that does shows all over New York City and beyond. We're so thrilled that you're tuning in today. Thank you so much for coming to this very specific place to watch our show. So who out there has seen a puppet show before? Any hands? Any hands? A couple of you guys. So remember that during a show, there's a couple of different rules you have to follow. Rule number one is during the show, you have to stay seated at all times. Can you guys do that? Hoping so. Okay. Rule number two for being a great audience member is during the show, you have to be what? Quiet so you can hear everything that's happening on stage. But feel free to laugh, clap, and have a good time. This is a very, very silly show, so get ready to laugh a lot. Now, let's see, over here in the comments, for those of you adults who are reading, we have a Midnight Myrtle, who is one of our Wonder Spark team, is going to be moderating the chat. So thank you so much, Midnight. Thanks. You're a bud. Okay, and we're a couple minutes in. We're just about ready to start. I'm going to remove the sign. Here we go. And we're going to start our show in 10 seconds. So we need everybody to count down from 10 all the way to 1, and then our show will start. So here we go. Let's all count together. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Wonder Spark Puppets is proud to present Mystery Max and the Case of the Hidden Challah. Our story begins as Mystery Max wakes up on a very special day. Oh, Mystery Max. Oh, Mystery Max. No, he's asleep. All right, everyone, we're going to have to wake him up. So let's all count to 3 and then shout, wake up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up. Whoa, what's that? The pool. Ow. Oh, man, I bumped my head on the... Whoa. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. My name is Mystery Max, and this is my detective agency. This is where I solve all kinds of mysteries, from the big to the small, for the young and the old, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I wonder what kind of mysteries we'll be solving today. Whoa, the mystery phone. All right, hold still. I'm going to grab it. Yeah. 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 Okay. Hello, Mr. Mac Detective Agency. We found missing things. Oh, but you have to help me right away! Whoa. Okay, now just tell me, what is missing? Oh, but you have to help me right now! Whoa. Okay, you know what? Why don't you just come out here to my office and we'll talk about it, okay? Wait, hello? 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 Man, well, whoever that was must have hung up. Oh, well. Wait, did you hear that? Where's it coming from? Whoa, hi there. My name is Mystery Max. Oh, my name is Nancy. Whoa, well, Nancy, why are you crying? Why are you so upset? Oh, Max, it's horrible. It's my challah bread. It's missing. Whoa, wait, hold on, wait. You said your challah bread is missing? Yes. You see, Max, last night my mom and me made a delicious loaf of challah bread, but today when I had to go eat some, my challah bread was gone. No, gross. And now I don't know what to do. Whoa. This is serious. Hey, Nancy, come here. Yeah, listen, okay? Nobody takes challah bread while I'm around. That's it. Mystery Max is on the case. Really? You'll help me find my missing challah bread, Max? Sure, we'll all help, won't we, everybody? Yeah, well, look at all those helpers. Thanks, Max. Thanks, everybody. Now remember, my challah bread is big and delicious, and please find it. I don't know what I'm gonna eat without it. Goodbye. Whoa. Okay. Hey, we got ourselves a case. The case of the hidden challah. Little alliteration there. All right, so to find Nancy's missing challah bread, we're gonna need to find some clues. And to find those clues is my bing magnifying glass. Okay, now when I looked at this magnifying glass, things look bigger. I'm just gonna look around. All right, so I'm gonna look over here for some clues, but I need your help, okay? If any of you see a clue, I want you all to shout, clue! Just like that, okay? I'm gonna look over here. You guys, keep your eyes open, okay? Okay. Looking for a clue. Could be anything related to this case. Sorry, I'm looking over here. I don't see anything yet. Wait. You saw a clue? Wait a minute. Was it over there? There-ish? All right. I'm going to look over here. We're going to find this clue. Okay. Where is that clue? What? Wait. Hold on. Wait. You saw a clue? Wait a minute. Was it over there? Over there-ish? All right. You know what? I'm going to look right here, right in the middle. We're going to find this clue. Okay. It's related to this challah bread somehow. Wait. You see a clue? Wait, where is it? Wait, is it over here? Where is it? Wait, hold on. I'll put it on my magnifying glass. Okay, now hold on, guys. This is serious. Where's this clue? What? Wait a minute. You're saying it's under the bed? You sure don't see any beds around? Wait. Hold on. You say it's the color red? I don't see. Maybe there's some red over there. Where's this clue? What? No. It can't be on my head. Whoa, it was. Wow, it totally was. Okay, hold still, everyone. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this. Okay, I'm a professional. Stand back. Okay, it's flying around. Okay, got this. Come on. Okay, it's not stopping. All right, hold still, everybody. I'm gonna check. Okay, here we go. Man, okay, here we go. All right, one more time. Here we go. Man, okay, here we go. One more time. Okay, here we go. I got it. Yeah, there. Woo, okay, that was crazy, but I got it. It's not flying around. It's gonna stay on the ground, right? Wait a minute. It's not flying around. I got it. Yeah. Okay. Woo, okay, guys. I don't know if it was a gust of wind, but I got it. It's gonna stay on the ground. It's not flying around. Wait a minute. It's not flying around. Yo, man. Ow, all right. Guys, it's not stopping. Okay, I need your help. Okay, all right. On the count of 3, everyone shout stay. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, stay! Woo! Wow. Thanks, guys. We did it. We found ourselves our very first clue. And this clue is it's a hat. And a Scottish hat at that. Interesting. Well, you know what? I wonder who this hat belongs to. Wait. Did you all hear that? Where's it coming from? Oh man, what a sneeze. Excuse me. Oh, crust. Oh, boogers. Hold on. I'm just gonna wipe my nose. Hold on. Ew. Ew. Oh, crust. Whoa. Hi there. My name is Mystery Max. Well, my name is Red Herring. Hi. Gross. Well, Red, we have come to ask you a question. Ready, everybody? Here we go. Where is the challah? Where is the challah? We're going to find it. Where is the challah? Wait. There's missing challah bread? Yes, Nancy's missing challah bread. It's big and delicious. No, sorry, Max. I'm not saying any missing challah bread today. Oh, wait. And thank goodness. You see, wait, come here. Listen. So, everyone say, shh. So, I am allergic to challah bread. What? Wait a minute. What does it even mean? Well, it means that any time that challah bread is nearby, I get a little. Wait, you get a little what? No, I get a little. Wait, you get a little what? No, I give me. No. I get a little sneezy. Gross. Oh, hold on. I'm just gonna blow my nose. Let me get the hanky out. Okay, here we go. Okay. Gross. Crusties. Ew. Whoa. Now wait a second. Red. Hold everything. Do you know anything about this hat? This hat right here? Let's take a look. No, this hat is not. Wait, this hat's not what? This hat is not. Wait, this hat's not what? Give me. No. This hat is not mine. Gross. Oh, hold on. I'm just gonna pick my nose and eat it. Hold on. Oh, it tastes awful. Whoa. Now wait a second. Red. Hold everything. You said that you're allergic to challah bread, right? Uh-huh. That means that challah bread makes you sneeze, right? Uh-huh. Wait, and that means that you're sneezing right now, right? Uh-huh. Well, then that must mean
Okay. I have a hypothesis. What, an idea you can test? Yeah, one of those. Listen, I want you to come over here. Come over here. Use your nose. Use my nose and smell this hat. And smell the people. What? Oh, wait a second. Wait. Red. Oh, can we all call out? Oh, red. Oh, red. Yo, want me to come over here? Use my nose? And smell this hat? Everyone, should you smell the hat? Yes. Okay, fine, I'll smell it. All right, here we go, okay. It smells like... Wait, it smells like what? It smells like... Wait, it smells like what? Achoo! No. It smells like challah bread. Oh, gross. Whoa, everyone. Red said that this hat smells like challah bread. We must be on the right track. Well, good luck finding the missing challah bread next. I'm gonna go home and blow my nose some more. Okay, bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh, gross. Bye and thank you. Wow, so this hat smells like challah bread. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, hey, it totally does. Well, you know what? I know what to do. I'll take this hat to Dr. Lazarus, right? He knows all kinds of things about Jewish breads and desserts and such. Okay, here we go to the laboratory. Hello, Dr. Lazarus. Oh, look, here's his laboratory. I don't see him anywhere. Hey, boys and girls, have you seen Dr. Lazarus around? Me neither. Well, you know what? I think he would show up if we all call out his name together. So on the count of 3, we'll all shout, "Oh, Dr. Lazarus." Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Dr. Lazarus. What? Oh, man, where is he? Is he over here off screen, maybe? Yeah. Oh. Shh. Hello. Oh, hello. Shalom. Yes. I am Dr. Lazarus. I am a bread scientist. That's right. A bread scientist. That's right. All day long I spend here in my easy bake laboratory crafting all kinds of breads. That's right. And desserts too. That's right. So I make a Jewish bread. We got the Passover bread and just made a ton of ham and tajin. I mean, this is the veritable bakery. All the day long it's desserts and breads, but especially my favorite, challah bread. Yes. Whoa! You must know a lot about challah bread. Yes. Well, we have come to ask you a question. Ready to sing, everybody? Here we go. Where is the challah? Where is the challah? We're going to find it. Where is the challah? Wait. There's missing challah bread? Yes, Nancy's missing challah bread. It's apparently big and delicious. No, sorry, Max. I've not seen any missing challah bread today. Oh. Wait, you know what I have seen? Hold still. I'll be right back. Oh, I think he's getting something. Oh, I think he's going to bring it up. What do you think he's going to bring up? Could be anything, right? Well, let's find out. All right, let's all call out, "Oh, Dr. Lazarus." Here we go. "Oh, Dr. Lazarus." Here it is. Yep. A gigantic cake. Yes. What? Wait, no. Boys and girls, are we looking for a cake? No. Why'd you even bring this up here? We're looking for challah bread. Max, all this talk about challah bread makes me so hungry. Oh, this cake smells so delicious. I can just eat it up right now. Wait, listen. Dr. Laces, wait a second. Do not eat this cake. Why not? It's so delicious and kosher. Listen, Dr. Laces, listen. Wait. Listen. We are searching for clues. Oh, and this just might be a clue. Oh, and we do not eat clues. Oh. Listen, do not eat this cake. Wait, I won't eat the cake. Okay, good. All right. Boys and girls, I need your help, okay? I'm going to look around for more clues, but if you see Dr. Lazarus trying to eat this cake, I want you all to shout, "Cake!" Okay? Just like that. Okay. I'm going to look over here. You guys keep your eyes on Dr. Lazarus. Okay. What's going on this side of the screen? I don't even know. Wait a minute. I thought I heard something. Wait. Nothing has changed. It's a false alarm. False alarm, everybody. I'm going to keep looking over here. Wait a minute. I thought I heard something. Wait a second. Wait, nothing has changed. Another false alarm. Okay, I'm going to keep looking over here. Wait, Dr. Lazarus. Yes? Were you eating this cake? No. What? Wait a minute. Boys and girls, was Dr. Lazarus eating the cake? No, Dr. Lazarus. Oh, I'm sorry. It was just so delicious. Okay, listen up, all right? And boys and girls, you can say it too, okay? Do not eat this cake. I won't eat the cake. Okay, good. All right. Boys and girls, I'm going to keep looking for clues. Oh, there's a basement. Okay, I'll be right back. Wait a second. I thought I heard something. Wait a minute. Wait. Nothing has changed. All right. It's a false alarm. False alarm. Everybody keep looking over here. Wait a second. Wait. Nothing has changed. Another false alarm. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, what, Dr. Lazarus? Yes? Were you eating this cake? No. Wait a second. Boys and girls, was Dr. Lazarus eating the cake? No. Dr. Lazarus? I'm sorry. It's just so delicious. Okay, listen up. And boys and girls, you say it too, okay? Do not eat this cake. Fine. I won't eat the cake. Okay, good. All right. Boys and girls, almost done looking for clues. I'll be right back. Whoa, wait! Dr. Lazarus! Where is the cake? The kids ate it. What? Wait. What? How is it even possible? Wait. Hold a second. Wait. Boys and girls. Did you eat the cake? Wait a second. Did Dr. Lazarus eat the cake? No. Dr. Lazarus? Wait, I'm sorry. It's just so delicious. Oh, Dr. Lazarus. That's my only other clue. All I have is a hat that smells like bread. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this challah bread. Oh. It's all right, Max. It's all right. Hey, no. Okay, listen, okay? As a way of saying sorry for eating the cake and blaming on the children, I will give you something that will help. Wait, you will? Yes. Hold still. I'll be right back. I think he's going to bring something else up. What do you think he's going to bring up this time? I don't even know. Well, let's find out. Let's all call, oh, Dr. Lazarus. Here we go. Oh, Dr. Lazarus. Here it is. Yep, that's right. A Hamantaschen. Yes. Wait a sec. Wait. What? Wait, boys and girls, are we looking for Hamantaschen? No, we're looking for challah bread. Why'd you even bring this up? Max, listen now, Mr. Detective. Let me connect the dots for you. So, whoever took the missing challah bread will want this Hamantaschen too. Really? Purim was last month, though. No, doesn't matter. Listen, it wasn't last month, but anyway, listen. Just go with it, okay? This is what you do. Pay close attention. So, take the Hamantaschen, right? Pick it up, put it down, and then call out, 3 Hamantaschen. And whoever took the missing challah bread will come to get it. Oh, that's just my work. Of course it will. Well, good luck, Max. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you. Wow. Okay, we have ourselves some Hamantaschen. Okay, that happened. Oh man, I always forget what the singular of Hamantaschen is. Is a Hamantaschen? Anyway. So Dr. Lazarus said we need to do something very specific. Oh, I think I remember what he said. So he said to take the Hamantaschen, right? Pick it up, put it down, right, and then call out. Here we go. Free hot dog, yeah. Wait, was that it? Oh, I don't think that was it at all. Wait. I totally remember. I don't know what I was thinking. So, I take the Hamantaschen, got it, pick it up, put it down, and then I call out, here we go. Free pizza, yeah. Wait, was that it? Oh, I don't think that was it either. What was I supposed to say? Yo, wait. I remember. I'm a professional detective. I have an excellent memory. I totally remember. I think. All right, so take the Hamantaschen, pick it up, put it down, and then I call out. Here we go. Free gefilte fish, yeah. Wait, was that it? No, I don't think that was it either. What was I supposed to say? Wait a minute. Free Hamantaschen? Are you sure? Well, all right. Well, you know what? All right, here we go. I think it'd work even better if we all called it out together. You guys ready? So I'm going to pick this up. Got it. Put it down. Got it. Okay. All right. On the count of 3, we'll all call out free Hamantaschen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Free Hamantaschen. Whoa. What was that? Did you all see something? The Hamantaschen moved? That's strange. All right, well, you know what? Let's try our little experiment one more time and see what happens. All right, on the count of 3, free Hamantaschen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Free Hamantaschen! What? Whoa, wait. It moved again? How is this possible? That's strange. Wait, did you guys see something? Okay. You know what? I'm starting to put the pieces together here. All right, you know what? Let's try it one more time. Everyone, on the count of 3, free Hamantaschen. And if you see anything funny, you got to call my name, okay? My name is Max. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Free Hamantaschen. Wait, whoa! Hey, Finn the fox! You never catch me! Bye-bye! Hey, get back here with the Hamantaschen! Wait, where'd he go? Hey, there he is! Hey, get back here right now! Hey, I need a Hamantaschen for my experiment! Hey, get back here! Come on, why are you taking that way? Hey, what? Don't run! Hey, oh, why are you chasing me? Whoa! Whoa! Hey, get over here! Wait, where'd he go? Get him! Wait, where is he? Hey, have you seen that fox? Hey, get back here! Where's he go? Where is he? Wait, behind me. Okay. Yeah, I don't see him. Wait, where is he? Hey, get over here. Here I am. Give me that Hamantaschen. Yeah, here I am. Give me that Hamantaschen. Yeah, you never catch me. Bye-bye. Ow. Oh, man, that hurt. I bumped my head. Hey, stop the music, stop the music. I'm sorry, everyone. I bumped my face on the... Oh, man, he got away with the Hamantaschen. How am I supposed to find him now? The only thing left behind is... Wait. His footprints. Wait a second. I'm a detective. I'll just use my... Bing! Magnifying glass and follow his footprints. Okay, aha, okay, here we go. Footprints. 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 Aha! Okay, boys and girls, this is very important. I'm pretty sure this is where that fox is hanging out. So, all right, I'm gonna hide right down here, okay? All right, and I'm gonna only jump out when we see a giant loaf of challah bread, okay? So I need everybody to be really quiet until can we all say, shh? Okay, really quiet till you see a giant loaf of challah bread, okay? All right, I'll be right back. Oh yes, there's Hamantasch, there it is. but there's more. Here it is, a giant loaf of challah bread, and they're all mine now. Finn the fox, I think you took Nancy's missing challah bread. What? No, I didn't. Yes, you did. 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 Yes, you did. And I can prove it. What? Proof? Yes. You see, the first clue that the boys and girls helped me find, anybody remember what it was? It was, this, your Scottish hat. What? That's not my hat. I mean, look at this is totally your hat. I guess it is my hat. And we learned from Red that this hat smells like... That's right, challah bread. Not just any old challah bread. No, this gigantic and delicious loaf. This is Nancy's bread. What do you have to say for yourself? Fine, it's true. I took Nancy's challah bread. Well, I mean, why'd you do it, Finn? Couldn't you just make your own challah bread? Well, no, you see, I don't have any friends, all right? No one to show me how to make my own challah bread or share some with me on lunchtime. I'm just so sad and lonely all the time.
Oh.
So I decided to steal someone else's. Well, look, Finn, look, I'm sorry you're so sad and lonely, but listen, stealing is wrong. You're going to have to give the loaf back. Come on, let's just get it back. No. Yeah, I'm keeping it. What? No, listen. You have to give it back. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. I'm keeping this challah bread, and that's final. Look, please, will you give it back? No. Finders keepers, losers weepers. All right, Finn, I didn't want to have to do this, but you forced my hand, okay? Boys and girls, was Nancy crying earlier? Yes. What? She was? Yes, and boys and girls, was Nancy really upset earlier? Yeah. She was? Yes, Finn. Look, when you take things from people, you can make them sad, mad, upset, all kinds of things. Look, Nancy made this bread with her mom. She was really looking forward to eating it. No. I never thought that Steve would make someone else sad. This is a bad idea. Here, take the bread and the habitats and everything in the bag. I'm sorry. Well, Finn, sorry isn't good enough. Wait. It's not? No, you have to make things right. Oh, fine. I'll take it all back to Nancy's. Well, hey, you don't have to do it alone. Friend? All right, friend. All right, come on, to Nancy's house. Yeah, let's take it together. Yeah. Bing bong. Hold on, I'm coming. Oh, my poor challah bread. What am I gonna have for dinner? Who is it? Surprise! Whoa! Wait! I just got accosted by this giant loaf of challah bread. Oh, hey, it's it. This is it. This is my loaf of challah bread. You did it. You solved the case of the missing challah. Thank you. No. Listen, all right. I'm sorry, but I took your challah bread. What? Well, you did. Well, why? Look, I'm sorry. I really like challah bread, but I don't have any friends, all right? I've no one to share with, and no one will share with me, so I kind of borrowed yours. I'm sorry. Well, that's all right. I forgive you. Wait. You do? Sure. I mean, you brought it back, right? Well, I guess I did. And, hey, my mom always says, the more the merrier. Maybe you could eat this challah bread with us today. You would want me to share your challah bread? Yeah, of course. I mean, no one else is around. And hey, come on. It's best to eat with friends. So grab this part of the loaf and let's go eat it right now, friend. That sounds amazing. Well, let's go. All right. Wow. Hey, we did it. You did it. We solved the case of the missing challah bread. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Yeah, wow, you guys were amazing. Wow, Nancy got her challah bread back. Finn found a friend, and as for me, well, maybe I could join in at that challah celebration too. Well, this is me, Mystery Max, saying you were all excellent detectives. Thank you, and the end. See you around, guys. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. That's our show. Give yourselves a round of applause. You guys were a wonderful audience. Great job, y'all. Hi. Hi. Thanks again for tuning in. My name, once again, is Chad from, here it is, Wonder Spark Puppets. Thank you so much for joining us today.
I hope you had a great time. I hope this brought an hour of joy to your lives. Thank you once again, and check us out online. Thanks again for the amazing people who brought us here today. And that's it. I'm going to click on end stream. But it was nice seeing you guys, and hopefully we will see you all soon. Bye. There it is, and boop. See ya.
Here's my Pesach recipe for citrus glazed meringue with rosewater and saffron cream. 2 heaping handfuls of your finest potato starch, some water, and a little love. Mix it all together, and voila! Fresh baked Epicomen presents!